Welcome to the first episode of Phantom Automotive. I got my boy Teddy here. I got my boy Rodrigo, who brought in his M340 to get the downpipe changed out. It's a little snowy out here, but we got the garage. Waiting for the car to waiting for the car to cool down a little bit, so we can start working on it. What do you got to it? What you got done to it so far?
Just the muffler delete, and that's it.
Just a muffler delete and that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on this bad boy. Cause which one is this one? The catless, right?
Yep, that was
You know what? I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm gonna let him do it. Still waiting for this to cool down because it's hot. What were you doing, bro? You was out here racing people? No, well, while we wait, you want to show me the new downpipe that we're gonna be putting in?
oh shit. What's shit? It's already semi-open.
Damn. If there's one thing I like, it's gonna be brand new car parts. They're not fat.
That's gonna be small, bro.
Dang. Bro, that's like. You see that? Let me see that. All right, a little update here. I was able to get the majority of everything. Let me see if I can get the camera. That was pretty, but I got the majority of the downpipe done. I just gotta get the V-band off so I can get it out, and then once I do that, I can put the new one in. All right, we got it out. Now it's time to get the new one and put it in. We got the downpipe installed. Now we're just gonna go ahead and go up top, button it up, and give her first start with the new catless downpipe. All right, just buttoned it up. Here's the new downpipe installed. Kind of a bad angle, but we're gonna close it up and get a first start. Yeah. So get out the garage now. This is how it sounds on idle. She's a beast. How you like it, bro? You like it? She.